guys, Adam here. Got a new little toy to show you all today. DUC 254 Makita chainsaw. Little single battery operated. So let's give it a test go and see how it performs. Alright, so quickly off the bat, already very impressed with the chainsaw cover. It's got a captured nut, so you're not going to lose that, which is awesome. Also having a little look at the chainsaw here. It's got a metal chain guide, which is also good. Got some tiny little dogs on it. Not sure if they're going to do much, but we'll put it all together and we'll see how it cuts. I've got some old wood that fell down in the storm recently, so we'll give it a go. Alright, so let's cut through a little bit of timber. Let's put this here, see how it goes. Oh, little trick, make sure you press the on button. How easy was that? That used probably about a bit of the charge actually, so your battery's probably not going to last all that long, but for something this light, that easy to cut through stuff like this, you're not going through the big things. That was fantastic. So for what it is, for what you want it for, you want to cut through little bits of timber for kindling and whatnot, I reckon this is everything you need in a chainsaw. Cheers guys, bye.